Hello all. Today in 6th class science we are going to discuss our first chapter, our food. We eat different kinds of food from morning till night. So many different varieties of food we are going to eat. So shall we see now what food actually we are going to eat? So here we have variety of food whatever we will be eating from morning till night. For example, here we have dosa, idli, chapati and lunch, a complete lunch thali, that is rice, curries, sambar, different kinds of vegetables, and also we have sweet here and ice cream. Not only these, still we are going to eat different kinds of food. So yes, but why do we need this food? Why we have to eat food? What is the need for our body? So we will see why food is important to us. Yes. Why do we need food? We eat food to get energy. We use this energy to do various kinds of work. So with the help of food, we get energy, and with that energy, we are going to perform various activities. But how to prepare food? We will be eating and we know the reason why food is important to us. But we don't concentrate on the materials or the preparation of food. So today we are going to discuss what are the materials which are used in preparing the food and from where do we get those materials. So first, basically for the preparation of the food we need ingredients. So what are these ingredients? Ingredients are nothing but the materials which are required to prepare food. The materials which are required to prepare food are called ingredients. Suppose you think, for example, I want to make biryani. Biryani is favorite food for all of us. So I want to make biryani. So this is our food. Now, if I want to prepare this food, I want the materials to prepare this food. So here, all these are the materials required to prepare biryani. All these are ingredients to prepare biryani. Here you can see rice, coriander leaves, ginger, carrot, ghee, curd, onions, and different types of spices. All these are ingredients. So I repeat, ingredients are the materials which are required to prepare food are called ingredients. So this is about ingredients. Now I will show you that in every packed food item whatever we are getting, also we have ingredients. They will be listing out what the particular item is made of. For example, we like Lays. Generally we will be eating Lays. So if you want to know the ingredients to prepare Lays, that we are going to see now. What are the ingredients which are required to prepare Lays? Here you can see the ingredients list: potatoes, vegetable oil, corn and some salt. And since childhood we are listening about Parle-G biscuit. Now also you can find Parle-G biscuits. So what are the ingredients are required to prepare Parle-G biscuits? So here is the ingredient list they have provided for us. So every packed food, whether it is Lays, whether it is biscuits, whether it is oil packet, backside of your packet they will be providing us ingredients. What they will be giving us ingredients, so that by seeing that ingredients we will be knowing how the food is prepared, what are the materials used to prepare the food. Just eating the food is not is not only required, but we have to know what are the materials which are used in the food. This is all about our part 1. In the next class, we are going to discuss from where are we getting these ingredients? What are the source of ingredients?